She's finished. Maybe.
She just wants to go the other way. She's getting dizzy. She has to change the direction.
Okay.
Enjoying your hair. If her tail was any bigger, it'd hurt your head.
Okay, now this is after we've just come back from a movie, and our poor dog was locked in the bathroom for about 3 hours. Now she just wants to show a little love, and Vicky's getting to experience that love.
She'll need a hair wash, baby.
Okay.
She's cleaning you as if you were her.
Lily.
Is that you?
Lily.
Did she do this to you? Not so much.
Hey, Lily, come jump. Come show us how to jump.
Is everything set up right?
Okay, Lily. There you go. Good dog.
See, Daddy, I did it good. Look at me, Daddy.
Good job. Oh.
Don't make that so long that nobody wants to watch it or something.
Okay.
You gonna put it on Facebook? No, don't put it on Facebook. I'm in it. I don't want to see me on Facebook.
Okay. Bye-bye.
We'll see what the video looks like first. Hi, pretty
Okay,
girl.
stop it, Dad.
Hi, pretty girl. She's a ham.